So the next option on the menu is part cylinder stock, which is the same as the part box stock. In other words, you can give it some offset values, right? You can give it an offset, for instance, in the radius, it'll just get bigger, okay, by adding an offset value. 0 means it's right on the part, or 0 means where you had the part defined. So you can also change the axial length, okay, just by selecting that. And you can also tell it if you want it to move in both X and Y or in Y only. If you do like only, you can extend it only on one end, positive or negative. Okay, so that's a quick, easy way of defining your stock. If you need, if you're using an actual cylinder rod, for the blank that you're going to be cutting. Okay, and we have the stock, just a box stock set. Okay, so in the part offset, it really makes more sense to do it with a box stock. So let's go ahead and do this, the stock and the part offset stock, and you just give it a dimension. We'll just give it 0.5. Okay. So it just offsets the X and offsets in the Z and just offsets it by a half an inch, if you can see that there. Now, again, this is useful if you're um, machining a casting. Okay, let's say that you have a part and the actual part is the machined version of the part. In other words, you're not looking at the casting, but you know the casting has like a wall thickness of maybe 20 thousandths or maybe 50 thousandths. You can go ahead and use the stock part offset and add that 50 thousandths to the part model and then machine it so that you can do the simulation similar to the way you were doing it for a casting. Okay, I hope that makes sense.